everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Johanna and this is my Graceful Simple Life. In this video I'm going to be sharing a speedy clean with me. I'm just putting away my Halloween and I just wanted to check in and make sure everyone is having a good fall.
I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm...
Alright guys, so I know everyone is fast putting up Christmas, but I am one that I still love to celebrate all the holidays, so I will be putting up some Thanksgiving decor in the interim, so please stay tuned to check that out, and I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Bye now.